So first two classes, demo classes you attended last time. So good evening. Sachin, you joined long back, but no one is there in the class demo session, right? That's why we waited for the students to join. So actual class timing is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. That is fixed time. Only demo classes will start. We'll wait for the students, but regular classes will start on the time. Okay. And today is just introduction part. And myself, Madhuri. So I'm going to handle this Linux administration course. Complete Linux administration I will explain, and I also teach CCNE Linux administration, including Linux administration. I also teach CCNE shell scripting AWS, and this class is for Linux administration. Okay, and the time 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is fixed time. Classes will be from Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, I will take the classes, and Saturday, Sunday, no classes. Okay, no theory sessions on Saturday and Sunday. But if you are practicing, means after 1 week, see this week means no practical. Today only the first class, right? So in the next week, most probably your practicals will start. Okay, after 3 days of demo, your practicals will start. Once practicals are started, daily you have to do the practice, right? So when you are practicing something, if you are not clear about it, or any confusion, any doubt, or any mistake is there, you can contact me on Telegram. So once you registered with this course, you will get the Telegram link from DURGASOFT team. Okay, separately they will create a group for our batch, this particular batch. They'll create a Telegram group and they'll share with you. So any doubts you have, you can message me on Telegram group, or separately also you can message me. Anytime you can message me, and that group will be permanent. After finishing the course also, that group will be there. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me there. Okay. And even in the classroom also, if you have any doubts, any confusion is there, something I'm explaining, if you are not clear, you can ask me here itself. No need to wait or nothing. You can ask me there itself. And there is a chat box also in this Zoom meeting. You can message me there. If you can't speak, you can message me there. Okay. So, but where you have doubt, there only, there itself, you can ask me. No need to wait. Okay. You can interrupt me. Because if you don't understand that concept, if I'm explaining, still keep on explaining, you'll not understand the next topic also. So make sure that every point I explain is clear to you. Any doubts are there, you can ask me. Okay. So this is, as I told you, this is Linux administration course. So I will start this course from basics. Directly, I will not explain the commands. I will not show you the configurations. I'll start from the basics. Like what is Linux? Why people are switching to Linux? Why technologies are coming with Linux? What is Linux? Okay, so that I will start. And then once we install the Linux operating system, what are the directories, means folders? What are the default directories we get along with the operating system? That I will explain. And what is the use of each directory? Like in Windows, A and B are reserved for floppy, whether you are using or not. It starts creating the drivers from C, right? So after entering to the operating system, if you double click on your C drive, you can see default folders like admin, user, library, download, system32, you can see some default folders. Similarly, in Linux also, after entering to the operating system, you can see default directories. So, what are the directories are there? What is the function of each directory? I will explain. And after that, how to install the operating system in our computer using third-party tool like VMware, virtual machine. Without disturbing our hard disk, without installing Linux in our computer, how to work with it. That I will show you. Installation part I will show you. And after that, after installing the operating system, how to enter into operating system, how to create files, how to create directories, how to copy, how to delete, how to move permanently from one location to another location, how to open the files, everything I will show you from basics, from very basics. You may know Linux or don't know, but here I will explain everything from basic level only. Linux is very important nowadays. Many organizations are switching to Linux. Technologies are coming with Linux. Okay. And hosting pages are coming with Linux only because there are many reasons, many advantages are there in Linux. Like it is open source and multi users can log in and multitasking they can perform, and it can be any installed in any hardware architecture. More security features are there. 24 by 7 without downtime we can use Linux operating system. There are so many reasons. No, it is from virus free. So there are many reasons out there why Linux means. So everything I will explain. First of all, I'll explain features of Linux in tomorrow's session. I mean, in our next class. It means on Monday. Saturday, Sunday, no sessions as I told you. Actually, this classes demos are started from yesterday. Okay, today only I'm giving the introduction part, and in next session I will explain the features of Linux. That I'll explain in the next session. Okay, so one by one, every point I will explain. Okay, because Linux is new to many people. Directly, I cannot explain configurations. In Windows means you know how to create file, how to create folder, simple right clicks, double clicks only there. Right? If you want to open the file, double click. If you want to open the folder, double click. Everything is right clicks, double clicks. But Linux is not like that. So I will show you everything one by one. Creating files, creating directories, copy command, move command, delete commands, how to delete, I'll show you. Then after that, how to create users, what is the purpose of creating users, and how to create groups, how to add the users into group, and how to apply the permissions, what is permission, how to apply the permissions, who can apply the permissions, that I will show you. How to change the ownership of files and directories, or how to apply the permission to a particular user or particular group of people, that I'll explain using ACLs. After entering to the operating system, how to create partitions, that I will explain you. And in partitions, we have types like swap partition, LVMs means logical volumes, which we use in real time, and RAID partitions. I'll explain this all theoretically and practically also I will show you. And after that, how to assign IP address to our computers, how to assign the host name, how to share the data from one PC to another PCs using servers like NFS, FTP, Samba. I'll explain DNS, changing the IP address to name and name to IP address using DNS. I'll explain, and how to host the pages using Apache Web Server I will show. Okay, DHCP to assign IP addresses automatically, that I will show using DHCP. So many topics are there. See, whenever I'm explaining something, I'll make a note like this and I'll explain with practical steps, syntax and example also. I'll make a note. I'll make a clear notes and I will share. So no need to worry about the notes. Everything I will explain slowly, and then I will show you output also. Okay. So I will not skip anything. I'll not go fast. Slowly only I will explain. This course will be 30 days. Sometimes I may take 5 days or 1 week extra time I will take. That too, if you are asking the doubts, if you're asking me to repeat the concepts, then only I'll take extra time. Okay. But I'll not take like 2 months, 3 months. I will not extend the classes. 35 days, I will take the maximum. Monday to Friday only count will be, not Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So, and you will get the recording videos also from DurgaSoft team. So if you miss any session, unfortunately, if you have any work, something, you'll get recording videos also. It means today, if I explain something means next day you'll get the recording video. So you can go through the recording videos also. If you have any doubts in the recording videos, you can ask me. I'll definitely explain. Okay. And that recording videos, I think 6 months they will give access. But the Telegram group is permanent. You can contact me there anytime. Okay. So is this timing is okay, Sachin? 8 to 9? Are you working? Okay, then what is your office timings? What is your office timings? Alverson, what about you? Okay, fine, Sachin. Alverson, are you working? What is your office timings? Okay, okay. Then this time is flexible only, right? 8 to 9. Very good. So we'll continue this. On Monday's class, I'll explain Futures of Linux. Just attend the class. Okay, that class will be free demo session only. Attend the session. If you are comfort with the class, if you understand the way I explain, if you're clear, you can continue with the classes. Okay. So we'll meet on Monday. So if you want me to ask anything, you can ask now. Otherwise, anything you want to ask, Sachin? Syllabus link, I think you got the link of syllabus. If you want me to write, I will write here. Actually, syllabus you'll get in the website. Introduction. And next one is Futures of Linux. File system hierarchy means default directories. And then OS installation using VMware software. Then basic commands. In basic commands, I'll show creating files, creating directories. Okay. Then copy command, move command, remove command. That's all I'll show here. VA editor is a which is used for creating files, which we use in real time. Then filter commands, or we say basic shell commands like grep, tail, head, less, more, SCD, sort. These all filter commands. These commands are used to check content of a file as per our requirement. Output of a file we can check as per our requirement. And then user administration. group administration, basic file permissions, ACL's access control list, which is called advanced file permissions. Then partitions, how to create the partitions after entering to the operating system, I will show. Then swap memory, which we call virtual memory, which is used to increase the speed of RAM. That also will show and I'll explain. And then LVM's logical volume manager. This is also one of the method to create partitions. I'll explain at that time. RAID, it is used for data backup purpose. This also I'll explain. Network introduction. In network introduction, how to assign IP addresses, how to change the host name, that I'll explain. Backup and restore, how to take the data backup from one PC to another PC, how to restore the data back if required. Everything with theoretically and practically I will show. Then package management. RPM and M are the package managers, which are used for installing the packages, uninstalling, updating, and checking the packages. Is nothing but softwares. If you want to install, uninstall, update, or check anything in your computer, means either we require RPM or M. So about this, I will explain. In Windows means we don't require anything like this. We will get a setup file, next, finish. But we required package managers in order to install any software, uninstall or update or check. Okay. And then I will show you M configuration. M, if you want to use M as a package manager, first of all, we have to configure it. I'll show the configuration. Then data sharing servers like NFS, FTP, Samba. About the servers, I'll explain. Using these servers, how to share the data, I will show you. DHCP, which is used to assign IP addresses automatically. Apache web server, okay, SSH, DNS, NIS, something more else we have, like link files, password recovery. We have topics like this. So this all I will explain. Everything I'll explain theoretically and practically also. Is that clear now? Recording videos you will get Alvana. And you can ask me. Yes, recording videos will be there. Every day you will get the recording videos. It means today's class recording video, next day they will share. Video recording you will get. Every day you will get the recording videos. They will share it through Google Drive. You can access. Fine then. So we'll meet on Monday. We'll discuss features of Linux. What are the advantages we have in Linux? That I will show you in our next class.